Aw, suka madoda. Mamthembu.
Hi.
Unjani mfazi wami?
Yeah, sure.
Awundibuze ukuba ndibelele na.
Okay. How are you?
Well, if you must know, dear. You didn't even allow me to finish to tell you how I am. Not today, what?
I don't want to fight with
I don't
you.
want to fight either. Definitely
I don't want to fight, you want to talk. I have nothing to say to you.
Perfect. Utlabua
Utlabua wena.
Umvile. Switch that TV off.
Okay. The TV is off. What do you want to say?
The Fumani solution for marital problems. Undimamele.
No, I'm listening. Uqedile?
Ndifuna uthatha umfazi wesibini Mamthembu.
Isizathu sokuthi uthathe umfazi wesibini yini?
Ndifuna abantwana abaninzi. And umfazi wesibini uzokusiza ngale nto.
Wait. Ansize.
Ewe kaloku.
Ansize ngani?
Ukukhulisa
No,
isizwe.
I don't understand.
What is so difficult to understand?
Ke hloka thuso nna.
Clearly wabalo.
Hey. Ke a palla. Oh, today ke a palla Luzuku. Ke a
I
palla.
don't see kids here.
Wow.
Owabona abantwana la. Wena uyababona abantwana la.
You know what? I cannot energy for this. Like I said to you, ke kgatetse motho modimo. Re dula re ngwapana every day. Re lwana. A gona letsatsi le la boitumelo. Clearly you thought about this.
I made up my mind.
And I'm not a cock blocker. And
Cock block.
I'm not gonna stand in your way of your happiness. So it's fine. Luzuko. Ungamthatha umfazi wesibini.
Thank you. I intend to.
Now, can I go back to watch my show?
Go ahead, madam.